the Alabama gang's increased. My boss doing very good in the cow business. We got some new heifers, some new registered black Angus. There's a pretty girl right there. Ain't she purty? Ain't she purty? And let's see, here's a new one. Purty. Well, she's the prettiest, aren't you? You're the queen of the double wide trailer here, aren't you? And then there's Samson, of course. Right there's my Samson. Hi, Samson. What's going on? What's going on, buddy? What's going? Oh, you pooped your britches. You pooped your britches. Man, you're so handsome. Fuzzy fur balls. Oh, look at this new white-faced one. Wow, that one's purty. And then another new black Angus next to her. Well, coming to you from Alabama. Gonna get some bush hogging done today, hopefully, and fix some fence. Roll, tide, roll. See ya.